This is the sound of a broken heart. This is the sound of sadness. This is the sound that won't go away. This is the sound of sorrow. I had only wished in my life I could have made better choices instead of dying inside. I had only wished a light full of love, not a dark tunnel, not a dark night. In my life, I wished for things I wanted much to be so bright. There seems to be a darkness to light. I can't seem to find the light. Lead me towards Jesus. Lead me towards God. Lead me towards Jesus. Lead me towards God. I cry every night, knowing we're alone in a world so very big. It's more like a tombstone to feel alone in a world full so many levels. To feel alone makes me cry. Oh Jesus, come to me. Oh Jesus, come to me. Oh Jesus, come to me. Jesus, take me home.